Unplanned downtime is the most expensive loss most plants never measure properly. You can cut it without buying a single new machine. It is the fastest lever most plants ignore. Every unplanned stop is lost output you cannot get back. Most of these losses hide in short, repeated stops that never reach a report. You cannot cut what you do not capture. The fix is a simple loop. First, capture every stop automatically. Second, find the patterns, because a few causes create most of the downtime. Third, fix the top cause, then repeat. Think of this as the Pareto rule on the factory floor. Chase the vital few causes, not the trivial many. A few targeted fixes will recover most of your lost output. It works. At Hutchinson, real-time visibility on stops helped lift one line's OEE from 47% to 72%. Same machines, same people, more output. See what your downtime really costs. Use the link provided to book a demo and start closing the gap. You can also subscribe for weekly factory performance breakdowns.